I think at this point it has more cover versions than Somebody That I Used to Know. Some of them are absolutely fantastic, like our friends from Feuerschwanz. And tonight, folks, your voices and our voices will join together. And with the original creator of the song, you will sing Vallhalla Calling.
Run!